Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a beautiful hot air balloon in Procreate using watercolor and sketch brushes. Let's dive right in. We'll start with our watercolor brushes to lay down soft, vibrant colors that really bring the balloon to life. These brushes create such a lovely, translucent look, adding depth and that classic watercolor feel. I'll layer some colors to add shading and make the balloon look three-dimensional. Now, I'm switching over to our pencil sketch brushes to add some light, pencil-like outlines around the balloon. This step adds definition, giving the balloon a nice, hand-drawn look that really makes it pop off the screen. I love using this technique to combine loose watercolor with precise sketch lines. It adds so much character to digital art. And there we go, a vibrant hot air balloon, created in just a few steps. Finally, here's a look at the brushes I used. Our watercolor brushes for the colors and pencil sketch for the outlines. You can find these brushes in our app, so download it now and give them a try. Happy creating!